So Agile is about the development methodology, of course, being customer-centric and developing in short development cycles. It's also about the company culture, and it's about being open and collaborative. And in terms of what we do at Finastra, we've implemented Agile a while ago. We've done a lot of work on being a more innovative company and developing this culture internally with hackathons. And I would tell you the hackathon story and how it started at Finastra. We've actually started 5 years ago in Paris with the first hackathon, and it's really amazing what happens when you bring people together from different teams, different skill sets, and allow them just to build whatever they want, be completely creative, and they come up with so interesting ideas. And it was even more interesting for the people that did not participate at the hackathon, because they were able to see all these ideas and they were already thinking about what they will be doing next year, participating to the next hackathon. Today, 5 years later, we are rolling out hackathons in 15 different locations, and we've seen a number of ideas turn into real products that we brought to the market. And we are also opening it to the external fintech ecosystem so that we make sure that we are open and collaborative. Collaboration is a key item for Finastra. It's in our tagline, the future of finance is open. We truly believe in collaboration, and we do believe in that because we think that 99% of innovation is happening outside of our organization. So it's crucial that we are open and collaborative in order for us to be able to source innovation and bring it to our customers. And we see collaboration as a real trend today in the market, in the financial services industry. We see banks interested in that and startups as well, but we see them also struggle a lot in doing that. What we hear from banks and startups as well is that from the moment a bank would identify a startup to the moment they start working on a pilot, it can be up to 1 year. And then the pilot takes another year. So 2 years to get to a successful pilot that is still not ready to go to production, not integrated with core systems. That's a real challenge. And that's a problem for both the startup that sometimes doesn't survive to that, and it's also a problem for banks who want to scale up their collaboration. So what we do at Finastra is help our customer base turn the whole process upside down. So we work directly with startups and fintechs. We open APIs, we provide them with sample data so that they can start working right away, day one. Once they're done with their development, they can sell their application not to one customer, not to one bank or financial institution, but to our portfolio of 9,000 plus banks and financial institutions globally. So we help banks scale up with more startups, and we help startups grow faster and collaborate faster with banks. So today at Finastra, we've started a new initiative in terms of innovation that we call the 90-day projects, where we actually combine Agile with design thinking techniques and collaboration with both banks, financial institutions, and fintechs and startups. The way it works is in 3 main steps. First, we have a 2-day design sprint where we bring experts from our side, from banks and financial institutions, and also from our partners to brainstorm, work together on defining a minimum viable product. And then we go and build it in 90 days. Our objective is really to test fast what this minimum viable product could be. So we actually work including continuously feedback from banks and financial institutions, and also including fintechs and startups in the whole process, augmenting the story and bringing more value to everyone. And then at the end, if it is successful, we actually assess it. We have a go, no-go decision and can continue in piloting with one or multiple customers.